Yeah, you may think I'm crazy, but I've got some bacon grease melting in this pan, and I'm adding some fresh milk to it. Gonna get it mixed together and bring it to a boil. Yeah, you're gonna wonder what I'm doing with this, but this is an old family recipe. Okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna do is dice up these onions for my recipe. Okay, and you notice that I've diced up not just the bulb part, but also the greens. And what I'm going to do with that is add it to my big bowl of lettuce. Some of you may have already figured out what I'm doing, but I'm adding it to this, and then I'll show you what comes next. Okay, so I'm back to my bacon fat and the milk. And you'll watch here for a minute what I'm just gonna let it get hot, and then when it gets to the right point, I will finish the recipe. Okay, so it's getting real close to what I want. You can see there's just a little bit of boiling beginning to take place there. Just a little bit more than that is where I want it to be. Now I've turned the temperature down below medium to get it to do what I want it to do, because I don't want it to boil up. Milk will boil up and boil over. So it's just about there. Okay, I think that's where we need it to be. You see how it's boiling? And it would boil up and boil over right there. So I'm going to take this, and we're going to just pour it all around on this lettuce and onion mixture. This is called, some people call it wilted onions and lettuce, or lettuce and onions. But my family always called it killed lettuce and onions. And that's what we've made here today. And I've never heard of anybody else making it this way. But I can tell you one thing. This is, the milk just adds something to it. I mean, it just adds to the flavor. And when you eat this late in the evening with that warm milk over that lettuce and onions, you will sleep like a baby. So anyways, that is what I'm fixing to serve with some pinto beans and a little bit of macaroni and cheese for our dinner.